What the heck is going on in the Minnesota State Legislature, part, I guess, 3 or 4? If you're watching this video and you live in Minnesota, do you support tyranny of the minority? Holding hostage the business of the people of Minnesota because you don't have enough votes. Earlier today, the Minnesota State Supreme Court issued a ruling on an issue that was brought forward by Secretary of State Steve Simon, along with some other Democrats in Minnesota that we call the DFL. Republicans opposed the issue that they raised, which was, what is a quorum? Now, to kind of break it down, we have 134 seats in the Minnesota State Legislature. But right now, because of a special election, because Democrats literally got caught cheating, there's only 133 total available seats. So that means that Republicans, who have 67 seats, and Democrats, who have 66 seats, can't meet the number of 68. So Republicans said, well, technically, there's only 133 available seats. The Minnesota State Supreme Court said that's not the case. The number is 68, regardless of how many members are actually elected, which I think personally is a stupid ruling. Now, the reason that this matters ultimately is because whether the number is 68 or 67, Republicans were operating under the number 67, which means that they convened, they elected leadership, so a Speaker of the House, they assigned committee members, and that's what they've been doing, holding committee hearings. Now, the DFL has been saying, no, that number is 68. Now, why does any of this matter, 67 or 68? It's because the DFL, they've been boycotting by not showing up. Because the truth is, if one member of the Democrats showed up, one of the 66 current elected members showed up, there would be a quorum. And guess who has a 1-vote majority? Republicans. So if one Democrat showed up or all 66 showed up and everyone voted, all Republicans voted together 67, all Democrats voted together 66, Republicans would still be able to elect a Speaker of the House, assign committees, and business would continue. But that's not what the Democrats want. They are holding the current state house hostage. By not showing up, they're saying, aha, see, you need 68 members. And we're not going to show up unless one of two things happens. Either A, the special election is held to fill that 1-seat vacancy, which actually is not going to be held until March, or Republicans agree to share power, meaning that they can't just vote straight line and say, here's who our Speaker of the House is, here's the committee assignments. They literally don't have the power to do it by purely voting. So instead, they are going to hold the state house as hostages until they get their way. Are Democrats going to continue to boycott and hold the legislature hostage? I guess we'll have to tune in and find out next week.